What's up, everyone? In this video, I'll be watching and talking about a bunch of my older LEGO Battlebots videos and battles that I did a long time ago, but I never uploaded to YouTube because they're all pretty bad. Now, I know I said I would do this a while ago on stream, but I just never ended up doing it, and I'm probably not going to. So, I'm just going to be reacting to and watching them in this video. Let's start out with the first battle. This battle was recorded in like 2019. I don't remember exactly why I ended up using such a trash camera, but this is probably one of the reasons why I never uploaded these to YouTube in the first place, is it's so low quality. Like, this isn't very interesting to watch. Even though these battles were some of the best battles we did. I think the motor in one of the drive sides fell out, and that's what ended the battle right there. Here's another battle. This is one of our fastest battles that we've done so far. Devastator, this Devastator that you're seeing right now is a very old one that I built. It was actually pretty decent for using only power functions, and it was invertible, which is pretty cool.
Ready, set, go.
Here we have Megahertz versus my brother's old bot that he used to build. It's kind of blocky and tough, but it was actually pretty destructive, and it was actually probably one of our better bots at the time. Because most of my bots at this time, I built them purposely to broke, and he just built his, like, really tough, with just as many Technic bricks and stuff as he possibly could. It couldn't self-right though, so as you can see, a lot of the time when we would have bots that wouldn't be able to self-right, we would put like just beams and things sticking out on the sides like that to keep flippers from being able to do anything. And I'm pretty sure right here there's a cut. Yep, that cut was because the motor wire and either the motor... Oh, that little thing you see running around right there? This thing right here is actually a spider. It looks like it might be like a part that came off of BattleBots, but no, it's actually a spider, which is kind of funny. But anyway, as I was saying, no, yeah, that's one of our more interesting endings.
Go.
This is another battle. It's another version of my brother's very interesting vertical bar spinner bot. It's kind of like a blocky tank. At one point, it was called Snapping Turtle. It's had so many different names that we just either call it Snapping Turtle. That's just, and the battle's over.
Go.
Here's literally another battle of practically the same thing. I'm pretty sure in this battle a peace light goes flying really far out of the arena from Megahertz. Oh, yep. Right here, it's kind of a funny story, but anyways, my brother's hand was right by the arena, and I lifted his bot up, but I didn't want to lift it into his hand, so I just held it there. And he just left the saw on right next to his hand, and I lifted it more in his hand. This new bot you see driving around, this is Pirate, basically an older version of pushing your buttons. Anyway, Pirate had counter-rotating wheels on the back, they were kind of decent, but you couldn't turn them off, so we had some times where we had to just end the battle because they were getting tangled up in something. Oh, that's my Discord. But, yeah, anyways, Snapping Turtle was pretty destructive. Like, Pirate was not that weak of a bot. I think this battle's just Pirate running around. like the entire battle for like a long time. So I'm probably gonna end up skipping for most of this. Oh, that piece just went flying across the entire arena. Yeah, that was pretty cool. You can't see it, but that is what happened. Oh, I think Pirate wins here. Surprisingly enough, I never burned out any of my medium motors doing this. Pirate versus Snapping Turtle again. This battle's not too long. This is the older version of Snapping Turtle. The one that isn't as tall is the newer version. Oh, yeah, that piece went flying across the whole arena too. You couldn't see it, but I basically just used the counter-rotating wheels to flip Snapping Turtle and then push it into the pit. I'm probably going to skip through a lot of this because most of this is pretty boring. Like, after that wedge came off, I think... I'm not skipping this. This is pretty cool. Okay, I might skip some of it. I think I just drove into the pit after... I think I drove into the pit in this battle. It just took so long. Nothing was happening. Pirate was falling apart. I think this is the battle where I drove into the pit. Yep, I just drove into the pit. I was done. That was not very fun. Snapping Turtle versus Pirate again. We did so many battles with these bots. I think Pirate wins this. Yep. Pirate wins. That was one of the more interesting battles. And that is all of my 2019 footage. I guess we can go over to the next ones, which are they're from 2020. Hornet versus Devastator. Here we go. Hornet's basically just a newer version of Snapping Turtle at this point. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Power Functions bots, especially fast ones, are pretty hard to control. Because they're just laggy. Oh, yeah, also in this battle, we agreed beforehand that if one of the bots got broken a certain amount, we would one of us would pretend to push the other into the pit. When really it would be yeah, that was kind of funny.
Go.
I think Pirate wins this. Oh, right here, I didn't want to ram this weapon to the wall, so I push it right by the wall, expecting he would turn it off. That didn't happen, and so I just ran into the wall. Because we try not to break things. Legos are expensive. They're not cheap. You know, I just remembered how this battle ends. It's kind of funny. goes on for a really long time. I switched camera angles for some reason to this garbage camera from 2019. And yeah, I accidentally left a stick in the arena. I don't know how I missed that, but that was funny. But anyway, the battle goes on for a while longer. And it literally just ends with Hornet driving into the pit. Like all our other battles. We got way too tired. That battle took 2 minutes.
Ready, set, go.
And this battle took like 20 seconds. As you'll see here. This is a super old version of Doohickey versus Hornet.
Set, go.
It was fun to drive and look at, but it was not tough at all. As you can see, we're getting like 2 hits. And there goes whatever that drive side is. And I don't know why he literally just ran right into us. We were even agreed, don't run into people's motors, and that still ended up happening.
Ready, set, go.
In case you're wondering how this battle ends, it literally ends the exact same way the last one did. Yeah, that was close. As in hitting the electronics, not the battle. Here we have megahertz again.
Go.
This was just back when me and my brothers would just build BattleBots and just fight them and make them friends. I never really intended to upload these videos to YouTube. That is all of my LEGO BattleBots, all my older footage. I do have some slightly newer footage from May to June in 2020. I might upload some of them to YouTube another time. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed, leave a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.